Three options a buyer has if the damage happens to a home between purchase and closing. Number 1. They can have the seller agree to get the repairs done and pay for that. If the work is taking longer than expected, then the closing date may be amended until the repairs have been completed. Number 2. They can have the sellers provide the necessary funds to get the repairs done after they take ownership. This is often done as direct payment or a credit towards repairs by adjusting the sales price. Number 3. Depending upon the severity of the damage, the buyer has an option to terminate the deal itself. However, before taking such decision, the buyer must consult a real estate lawyer to fully understand the implications. Always consult professionals if you are unsure about your options. For any real estate questions regarding buying and selling process, call or text me at 647-512-2302. Have a good one.